So I was searching on Google for dropshipping platforms, and that's how I came across AliDropShip. Right on the homepage, it says, start your own AliExpress dropshipping business today. AI builds your store, adds products, and handles orders automatically. Sounds promising, but before clicking anything, let's scroll down and actually see what's behind it. First thing I notice, they offer two different ways to start. Option 1 is a free turnkey store. Basically, their team builds everything for you from scratch. You choose a niche, they add best-selling products, and you even get a personal manager to guide you. So, this is clearly for beginners. No experience needed, no setup headaches. Option 2 is more for advanced users, a plugin. With that, you build your store yourself, import products from AliExpress, and control your pricing and setup. So it's pretty clear. Beginner, go with the Ready Store. More experienced, use the plugin. Scrolling further, there's a profit calculator. Always nice to see. You can estimate how much you could make. Then customer reviews, some success stories, and a full ecosystem of tools and services. It's not just build a store, it's more like a full business setup. Now let's quickly check the top menu before we try it. Under products, the two main options are right there. Free dropshipping store for beginners and AliDropShip plugin for pros. Simple, clear, easy to choose. There's also a Grow section for extra tools and upgrades, a Resources section with the Help Center, Forum, and FAQ, and a Learn section covering dropshipping basics, plus a blog and success stories. So overall, AliDropShip covers both things, a way to start, and enough support so you're not lost in the process. Alright, enough reading. Let's actually try it. I click Try Now for free. Now I'm on a sign-up page. They ask for email and phone number. Then I'm redirected to a page asking for card details. At first, that might feel a bit strange, but there's a note explaining, you won't be charged during the 14-day trial. It's just for continuity after the trial ends. So, fair enough. It also says, 14-day free trial $0 today, $39 per month after. Okay, I'll continue. Now there's a short setup process. First, choose a domain name. Then, select a design. I'm picking only free options here. After that, they offer extra paid product packs and social media tools. I'll skip those for now. Click Finish. And that's it. Now I'm inside the dashboard. This looks like the control center of the store. You've got sections for orders, products, services, learning, and more. I'll explore all of them later and get back to you with a separate video once I've had time to use it myself. Everything is in one place. Now I'm in the home section of the dashboard. From here, I can actually open my store. Let's check it out. Okay, this is interesting. The store is already fully built. There's a menu with product categories. Let's open one. Product page includes images, video description, reviews. Honestly, looks like a real working e-commerce store. Let's test it like a customer. Add to cart. Go to checkout. Enter details. And yes, the payment flow works. So technically, this is already ready to sell. Going back to the home page, there's also contact page, blog, already filled with articles. That's actually a nice touch because content helps with SEO. Let me check how many products are here. Click Shop Now. 61 products. They promised 50. So that's actually more than expected. Back to the dashboard again. In the home section, there's a performance block with orders, processing credits, and estimated business value. That last one is interesting. It looks like they track how much your store could be worth. There's also a to-do list, step-by-step actions to help you start earning. So you're not just left alone after setup. I also see additional product packs, short videos about the platform, and an option to contact the support team. All useful for getting started. I'll go through these and the other sections and share my thoughts in the next review. Alright, quick summary. What did I get? A ready-to-sell store, 61 products already added, blog content included, payment system working, no money charged during setup. So, everything is basically prepared. What's next? Now it's about learning how to drive traffic, process orders, actually make sales. That's something I'll explore in the next video, especially the dashboard and how to grow this store. If you're curious to see that part, stay tuned.